Tom Cruise just helped us make $1,300 completely passive income. And this was so easy that anyone can do. You don't need experience, you don't need technical knowledge, you don't need a website, you don't need hosting server, you don't need mailing list, and you don't need social following. And in fact, in this video, I will share how you can make $382,000 using the same method. So what we do is pretty simple. We make 1-minute video using our artificial intelligence software Epic that you're going to get free. Link is in the description. Epic allows us to make videos that people are looking for, just like this one, Shopify. You see this shorts feed? 1-minute videos get hundreds of thousands of views, because YouTube is helping short creators. I'll come to that in a moment, but let me tell you how we make shorts using 3 minutes of our time using our artificial intelligence software Epic. So Epic allows us to make videos without using camera, without using our voice, and without even writing script. Epic makes videos, literally short and long videos, using images, links, and texts. Epic creates natural voiceover from text. Mosh, I hate text. I don't know how to write text, and I hate everything about scripts. I do understand, because I hate it too. And that's why all our other channels don't use me on the camera. We use Epic, because Epic writes the scripts using artificial intelligence in one push of a button. The same script turns into natural voiceover and video. Sounds cool? Now Epic is in the description. Go grab it. Oh, by the way, all our videos that we make using Epic are available for our users to use as templates for their videos as well. So in short, all Epic users can use our videos as their videos. Sounds good? Epic link is in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Go get it. But we want a favor from you. We want you to like our video and share this video with your friends and family so everybody else learns how to make money online. This is the only way you can help us reach our goal of helping 100 million people learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. By the way, do you see a box somewhere at the bottom of this video where text is being typed as I'm speaking? This is an automatic voice-to-text software. This is another way we generate content to drive traffic, sales, and make money online completely free. This software is free for you as well. Link is in the description. You can also use this software to offer transcription service as an agency or as a freelancer and make hundreds of dollars per day. Okay, now the story of how Tom Cruise made me $1,300. Recently, Tom Cruise made a post in his Facebook fan page that they're coming up with a new Mission Impossible. The trailer was awesome, Tom Cruise looked really young, and everybody else looked old. I was so excited that I took my phone and commented, "Hey bro, you look so young, everybody else looks so old." But I got so excited that I typed by mistake. You can see right here. It says, I typed it myself. Too excited by mistake. This is amazing. Everyone else looks younger than you, bro. And guess what? Within minutes, if not hours, I earned the more haters than I ever got in all my years on Facebook. 25 replies, 52 reactions, some of them liked, loved, and one angry. Okay, story part is finished. What do we see from this? We see that when you comment on a crowded post on social media, your comments get noticed. You get noticed. And guess what? Some of these haters and commenters went to my profile, took a couple of my photos and said I look so ugly. Well, it was a weird feeling, but I don't mind because I made money. As an internet marketer, I know how costly exposure and advertisement is. As an internet marketer, I was extremely excited because once again, it's proof that it's so easy to get attention and get traffic using social media. And I was waiting to make this video for you because 7 of these people came to my profile, they found my website, clicked on this link, they went to visit my website and found VidCloud, which is a solution to a big problem. And they purchased VidCloud with more than 2 upgrades. That made us $1,300 from Tom Cruise's post. Wow, that's great, right? So this is exactly what we do. YouTube needs more shorts videos because shorts is a new feature and YouTube is directly competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So if you make these 1-minute short videos answering people's questions about many different stuff, you can get their attention, you can have them click your links and you make money. This is exactly all these affiliates made so much money. These are the sales stats of my affiliates promoting one of my offer. This is a great offer. This software allows users to make Shopify-like stores without paying monthly recurring fees that Shopify charges. It also provides the expensive add-ons without paying extra monthly fees for the add-ons. It's a great offer. Our affiliates made simple videos, simple content about Shopify and its features and compared my software grants with Shopify's features and answered the questions of the people on YouTube. And guess what? Some of the affiliates even made $6 from every click they sent to the offer. Some made $2.77, some made $2.67, some made $2.53, $3.80. The first video you see on the Shorts feed has 62,000 views. How much will you earn from 62,000 views times $6.17? That would be $382,540. You can do it using Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free for you. Go get it. Make videos about what people are looking for on the internet. Get them love you, follow you, click your links, and you are the one going to make money. Super simple. That's it. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Just play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we want a favor from you. We want you to like our video and share this video with your friends and family so everybody else learns how to make money online. This is the only way you can help us reach our goal of helping 100 million people learn how to make money money online, easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And we will see you in the next video.